Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix this page isn't available at the moment or right now on Facebook on your iPhone. So guys, if you are using your Facebook on your iPhone and you are facing this message or this problem on your Facebook while using your Facebook, here I will show you how can you easily fix it on your iPhone. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, go back to your home screen and from here drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So if it is working properly, simply turn on the flight mode for 30 seconds and after this turn it off and again check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then make sure that which page you are trying right now is not deleted from the other hand or the other side. So as if the page or the post has been deleted from the other hand or the other side, you will not be able to see it again on your timeline. So as after this, go for the next solution. If you are still facing this problem, that is open settings in your device. And from here you have to open general section and from here you have to tap on iPhone storage. Scroll it below and tap on Facebook. Offload your Facebook for one time and after this you have to download the latest version of Facebook in your device. So I'll open your App Store and from here search for Facebook. Here it is. And now download the latest version of Facebook in your device. So as after this, check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then open settings again and from here you have to go to your general section again and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So as after this, go back and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings from here on your iPhone. So I do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.